people start practicing self love when they experience heartbreak, pain, betrayal in their life. But have you ever wondered why? Our relationships are such a beautiful thing, okay? The relationship, the relationships that we have in our life, it it always mirror us. What we need to change, what we need to heal in ourselves, especially love relationships. Love relationships help you to understand what you need to heal, what you need to change in order to become the right person. And most importantly, in order to become the person who can give love in the relationship and also who can receive the love in a relationship. This is why a lot of people start practicing self love when they break up with someone or when they experience some kind of heartbreak, because a relationship mirror us. It's not only about love relationship. Every relationship that we have in our life, it mirror us, both positive and negative. It mirror us our insecurities, our trauma, our pain, our deepest wounds, that what we need to heal, what we need to reflect, what we need to change so that we can become a better person. Most of the time, we blame the people in a relationship, but they are just mirroring us. They are they are triggering you so that you can heal, so that you can reflect. And this is why a lot of people start practicing self love after their after their breakup or heartbreak, okay? Because love relationship is our closest relationship, okay? So that person mirror us. Hey, this is what you need to change. This is what you need to reflect. This is what you need to heal so that I can give you the love, so that you can receive the love. Okay. So, this is why you might have heard a lot from people that love yourself so that you can attract a partner, so that you can manifest true love, which is true. Okay. But don't practice self love only to attract a relationship, only to manifest true love. If you really want to practice self love, do it for yourself, okay? Not to attract a relationship, not to manifest a partner. Then it will not call then it will not call actual self love, okay? So do it for yourself. This is where a lot of people make mistake. They just pretending, they are just pretending. They are just trying to practice self love so that they can attract love, so that they can manifest love. But understand that the other person are just mirroring you. They are just mirroring you. They are just showing you what you need to heal, what you need to change so that you can receive the love, so that you can give the love. Okay? So a lot of time, like I've seen that a lot of people start practicing love only to attract a partner, only to manifest love. This is this is uh, this is something that um I don't consider uh actual self love. Okay. When you love yourself for your own self, then it is called self love. Do it for yourself. Understand this one thing, that whether it's a love relationship or any relationship that you have in your life, they are always mirroring you, showing you positive and negative both. Okay. So, lot of time people blame their relationships, blame the other person, but instead, if you just focus on your own inner world, that is, that what is happening in your inner world, is there any wounds, is there any pain, is there any trauma, is there any insecurity? Just go and reflect here, okay, rather than blaming and complaining about relationship and other people. So this was about how our relationship mirror us, that what we need to heal, what we need to change within ourselves. Yeah, so that's all I have for this episode. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.